with this event, what happened tonight, wag nating sabihin na supporters, fans, quote-unquote lang. Supporters lang yan. Fans lang yan. The whole showbiz industry revolves around the fandom. Dahil the fans spend money, the fans wake up early and line up to concerts, premiere nights, spend money to be with you in different parts of the local scene and even international. So why not give them premium? They deserve it. They deserve to be highlighted. They deserve to be, recognized. Kasi kung wala po ang fans, wala po ang showbiz industry. Because they make the showbiz industry foster. So with this event that happened tonight, sana po hindi to yung last. I hope this is the start. Na sana po with this kind of, like this events that we're having, let's involve them. Kasi kanino po ba natin binibenta or kanino po ba natin to ginagawa? It's for them, it's for the fans. So isama natin sila sa buong journey. Sa buong journey ng paggawa ng magagandang konsepto, ng mga teleserye, pelikula, or anything. Just because they are the ones who will bring it to life. So, dapat mahalin po natin yung fans more than how much we love our craft. Yun lang po.
Very well said. Thank you so much, Alden and Julia. I really commend how you guys thought about bringing your fans. And